Do not turn off your televisions. Do not turn off your televisions. This is the SCP Foundation. The SCP Foundation is a facility that secures dangerous creatures that are called SCPs. And we research them and study them. We just got an alert that a SCP just escaped containment. The SCP that escaped containment is known as SCP-096, and if you look at its face it will go into a distress/panic attack reaction, and once it's done it will run to your location and kill you. Its appearance is pale white, very tall, about 2.38 meters in height. And if you hear some crying that sounds like a man, do not go to the sound. We are dispatching containment units to contain 096 and bring it back to its original containment site. Secure. Contain. Protect.